my name is Barbara, and I've been working with Virginia Oral and Facial Surgery for almost 5 years now. I'm a surgical assistant here at the practice. What I like about being a surgical assistant is the fast-paced environment. You are on your feet, moving around all day, but I joke around, I like to get my steps in, so it works out pretty well there. Constantly something different. We get to see so many different patients and get to help them out, and I love it because it's a position where someone's usually in some discomfort and we can immediately help that. So I definitely enjoy that aspect of helping people and making them feel better. Some of the perks that I've found here is definitely being able to help with the employee discount that we do get, and helping family members out. Because everybody's going to have a tooth issue of some sort eventually, especially like wisdom teeth or even just single tooth extractions. Not having to work weekends, that's definitely a huge benefit. You come to work, you do your job, and once you're done and clock out, you get to go home. We don't have to check any emails afterwards or kind of focus on anything after. It's good balance between work and family. So I like working at this practice as a whole because they really do show appreciation to you. We get to do staff outings where the whole practice gets to hang out together, so you get to meet everybody from the other locations. The fact that we have many different locations, so kind of wherever you're living, you can usually find one of the practices that is going to need help close by. We also have so many doctors here that are so nice and just a pleasure to work for. I have worked with pretty much every doctor with this practice, and they are all wonderful. I would gladly work with all of them over and over again. Bedside manner is really good here with the doctors. They definitely care about their patients a lot and want to make sure they do everything in their power to, help them out and make them feel comfortable while they're here. The benefits here are really great. We do get our birthday day off, so one day in that month you can take your birthday off. We also have like a half shopping day during the holidays in between Thanksgiving and Christmas because everybody's hectic, so it's definitely nice to be able to have that day to do it. We get 3 weeks of paid vacation, starting off too, so that's definitely really nice. You get more time with family also outside of work. They offer insurance benefits here, Aflac, and also 401k that the doctors actually do match what you put in. So that's definitely a really nice benefit also. Every year there is a yearly review where the potential for a raise is there. So it's really showing, again, that appreciation that they actually care about you. So with other practices I've worked at, the benefits that I did notice between the two is definitely that the benefit package is definitely more comprehensive. For me personally, it definitely worked out better and made more sense. The only downside to the surgical assistant role that I can really think of is, sometimes we are on our feet all day. So you want to make sure you have some comfortable shoes and, get a little Fitbit, get your steps in. And sometimes, we are a surgery center. So emergencies do come in and happen. And sometimes you do have to, maybe come in a little bit earlier or come in late just for that patient care. But that's that extra step that we go to help patients so that they trust us to come back. I don't think it happens too often. Luckily, we do have, good set amount of hours throughout the day that people can make it to us in time. But emergencies do happen sometimes. But we're there for the patient. Coming from a different office in dental or in healthcare, a difference that I do notice for sure is going to be that we do, sedation here at this office to make patients feel more comfortable for their procedures. So that is going to be a little more intense compared to a regular dental office where most people aren't sedating patients. But that's kind of the specialty in our field. So we can do these types of surgeries here in an office where it's an outpatient procedure, which definitely helps benefit the patient. And it helps you kind of see a little bit more with different, tooth and surgeries in general. Many different procedures. It's not just teeth cleanings, we're extracting teeth, so it definitely is a different specialty. A piece of advice I would give a potential new hire is just be ready to learn and be eager to learn too. This is a lot of on-the-job training for this position, and you get to see a lot of different things going on, but it's one of those really good benefits that once you start knowing these things, you understand a lot more, and it just makes the job more fun and easy to do. Sorry.